Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adnan. Today I'm going to show you how to create a second YouTube channel on mobile. So if we went right here and clicked on our channel at the below right corner, and we click right here the settings at the top right, or we clicked right here view the channel and everything, or clicked even share, or let me just go back and click the settings gear at the top right, and here you're going to see the accounts and everything, and you'll be able to see an option that allows you to edit channel, and you'll be able to add channel right here, and edit channel right here. So unfortunately for now, there is no settings within the YouTube app that allows you to add the channel on YouTube. But alternatively, you can just add another account by clicking the accounts right here, and basically you can just click add account, the last option right here. As you can see right here, I have alternative emails with no channels, and from here I can just set it up my own YouTube channel. Or you could just go ahead and delete the YouTube app and go from your browser, whether it was a laptop, I prefer laptop or PC, and just go ahead to your settings on your YouTube website, and basically you'll be able to see your channel settings, and you could just manage the channel settings within your YouTube channel, and you'll be able to create channel from there as as you follow the instructions. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.